This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix your golf bag stand. First, let's identify the problem. Often, issues stem from loose screws or bent legs. Check the stand's mechanism carefully for any visible damage or misalignment. Having the right tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers, will make the repair process much smoother. A clear, well-lit area is also crucial for safety and precision. Many stand problems involve the legs or their pivot points. Begin by tightening any loose screws you find on the legs or where they attach to the bag. If a leg is slightly bent, you can often gently straighten it by hand or with pliers. For stiff or squeaky pivot points, apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. This simple step can significantly improve the stand's functionality. The spring mechanism is vital for proper stand deployment. Carefully inspect the springs for any signs of stretching or breakage. If a spring is compromised, replacing it with a new one of the same size is usually the best solution. Also, check all brackets and attachment points. If any are loose, tighten their screws or replace any missing rivets to ensure the stand remains stable and reliable during your golf rounds. To keep your golf bag stand in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Clean off dirt and debris after each use, especially from the leg mechanisms. Proper storage, like not leaning the bag against a wall in a way that stresses the stand, will also extend its life. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Enjoy your next round with a fully functional stand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.